Internal rotation of the shoulder joint. Start by grabbing from a shoulder height or chest height anchor point. Grab a stirrup. You can be on a cable machine at the gym, or you can be on like the middle of a door frame with a door anchor at home, or you can wrap this around some other stationary object like the squat rack I have here. Internal rotation of the shoulder is simply just that. You are rotating the shoulder inward. So this works the subscap, this works the pec major, this works a lot of your internal rotators of the shoulder joint. So if you have a hard time rotating the arm down with ease, this would be a good exercise for you to help loosen up the external rotators in the back side of your shoulder. So you want to start by standing with your elbow against your ribs, and then you want to create ample amounts of tension from your anchor point through your tube band or through the cable machine. I like to brace my elbow against my ribs using my hand as a wedge between the two. I'm going to grab the stirrup firmly, and then I'm going to rotate in. I hold for a count of 3, and then I, under control, release tension. So rotate in, internal rotation, 1, 2, 3, and then release. This is a pretty common physical therapy rehab exercise for rotator cuff, impingement of the shoulder, and a number of other conditions. So that is internal rotation of the shoulder joint.